we bring you something that doesn't just challenge the limits of design, it breaks them completely. The Tesla Cybertruck 2025, the future on 4 wheels. A machine so bold, so unique, that it doesn't just look like it came from another world, it feels like it too. Now imagine this, you're driving down a quiet highway at night, no engine sound, no exhaust fumes, just the whisper of electric power. The road glows under the metallic skin of your Cybertruck. The future, it's not coming anymore, it's already here. Elon Musk once said, "We want to build something that's different, not just better." And that's exactly what the Cybertruck represents. It's not just another pickup, it's a statement. A statement that screams, "I don't follow trends. I create them." Let's start from the outside. The design. This isn't your regular smooth curved SUV. It's a rolling piece of sci-fi architecture, sharp angles, stainless steel armor, and a presence that turns every head on the road. The body is made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, the same kind used in SpaceX rockets. So yeah, you could say, the Cybertruck doesn't just drive on Earth, it's built for Mars. Those edges, that geometry, it's not for show. Every single line has a purpose. The structure is built to be impenetrable. Bullet-resistant panels, shatterproof glass, and a chassis that could probably survive the apocalypse. It's not a car you drive carefully. It's a car that makes the world move carefully around you. Now, step inside. This is where Tesla takes minimalism to a new level. You're greeted with an interior that feels futuristic yet strangely calm. A massive touchscreen dominates the dashboard, your window to control everything from climate to autopilot. In the steering wheel, a yoke-style design, straight out of a spaceship. The seats, sleek, durable, and wrapped in vegan leather, give comfort without compromising the futuristic aesthetic. Every material inside the cabin feels like it's been engineered, not just designed. Even the lighting, subtle white tones reflecting off the metallic surfaces, makes it feel like you're inside a movie scene, not a car. Now, let's talk about performance. The Cybertruck 2025 isn't just about looks. It's a beast under the hood, or should we say, under the flat steel armor. Powered by a tri-motor setup, this truck can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, a truck, faster than most supercars. The electric powertrain delivers up to 845 horsepower, and the torque, enough to pull a house, literally.